The Greek word sozo, which is commonly translated as to save, really should be given a wider range of understanding as we bring it from Greek into English. It is often rendered in passages as to heal, and it means the totality of the human being is affected when sozo comes to the person. So sozo could be more fully rendered if we were going to translate it into Hebrew with the word shalom, which means a comprehensive peace. It certainly includes salvation in the understanding of reconciliation to God, but it means rescue from one's enemies. It means healing. It means wholeness. It means balance and order. Sozo is a comprehensive term. We have inherited a big, big salvation. John Wimber used to say, when we talk about salvation, we really need to say salvation. And with that, we understand that we can be restored not just to God, but we can be restored physically, we can be restored socially, we can be restored in our emotions, in our minds, we can be restored in many dimensions, all because we've come under the domain of the Lord and we live within the realm of His grace.